You're back on Casual Comfort. Here you'll learn how to dress elegantly and effortlessly. And today, we're diving into your perfect capsule for the warm days ahead, effortless, flattering, and comfortable outfits that you can wear on repeat this summer. Think crisp, oversized shirts, classic denim, pretty puff sleeves, and coordinated sets that are both relaxed and refined. These looks aren't just easy to throw on, they're built to make you feel put together with minimal effort. Whether you're running errands, heading out for a laid-back brunch, or just soaking up the sunshine, these 7 basic summer outfits will have you covered, literally and stylishly. Let's get into the looks that define the Casual Comfort summer vibe. Oversized shirt with high-waisted cutoffs. There's nothing quite like an oversized cotton or linen shirt to kick off the season. It's breezy, it's relaxed, and it has that timeless borrowed from the boys charm. Paired with high-waisted denim cutoffs, this combo screams effortless cool. Choose light wash shorts that sit comfortably on your waist. They should feel more relaxed than rigid. Then add an oversized shirt in a soft tone like white, dusty blue, or striped pastel. Here's the key: don't tuck it in entirely. Try the one-side tuck or tie it casually at the waist. Roll up the sleeves and throw on a pair of woven sandals or espadrilles. Finish with gold hoops, a canvas tote, and oversized sunnies. It's the kind of outfit you'll wear on repeat without ever getting tired of it. Black t-shirt with washed denim shorts. When in doubt, go for a black tee and denim. This combo might seem basic, and that's the point, but with the right elements, it's anything but boring. Opt for a slightly boxy black t-shirt made from soft cotton. The relaxed silhouette pairs beautifully with washed denim shorts that have a worn-in, almost vintage vibe. Go for a mid-thigh length frayed hem and a faded wash. You can elevate this look with sleek leather slides, a chunky chain necklace, and a straw bucket bag. A claw clip and light makeup with bold brows will make it feel modern and polished. It's understated yet strong, a summer go-to that balances minimalism and edge. Puff sleeve blouse with denim Bermuda shorts. Here's where romance meets casual ease. A puff sleeve blouse adds a feminine twist to your summer basics. Think lightweight cotton or gauzy voile in white, blush, or soft lilac. Pair it with denim Bermuda shorts for a longer line silhouette that's great for comfort and coverage. The puff sleeve balances beautifully with the more structured straight leg fit of Bermudas. Add strappy flat sandals, a mini crossbody, and gold layered necklaces to complete the look. This outfit is ideal for a summer stroll through town or an afternoon coffee date. It gives off "I didn't try too hard, but I still look adorable" vibes, which is exactly the goal. Striped button-up with denim midi skirt. Let's talk polished and cool. A striped button-up shirt, especially in cotton or poplin, is one of the most versatile pieces you can own. Pair it with a high-waisted denim midi skirt and you've got yourself a balanced, flattering outfit. The skirt adds structure and a touch of retro charm, while the stripes keep it crisp and clean. Tuck in your shirt fully or do a half tuck for a more effortless feel. Pair with flat sandals or classic white sneakers. Add a leather belt, delicate jewelry, and a straw hat if you're headed outdoors. This look is a favorite for when you want to feel composed without overthinking your outfit. If you're enjoying these summer style ideas, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and drop a comment below. Which outfit would you wear first, and what's your go-to summer staple this year? Your thoughts help shape the future videos here on Casual Comfort, so don't be shy. Let's keep this community stylish and connected. Bold floral cord with balloon sleeves. Nothing says "I'm here for summer" quite like a bold cord set. And when that set includes balloon sleeves and a matching floral print, you're stepping right into vacation mode, even if you're staying local. Look for a flowy top with dramatic sleeves and high-waisted matching shorts or a midi skirt. The beauty of cords is in their instant cohesion, no mixing or matching required. But you can always layer with neutrals, a beige woven clutch, sleek strappy sandals, or a light denim jacket thrown over your shoulders. Go bold with accessories, don't hold back. Oversized earrings, a bright lip, or even a beaded bag can complete the vibe. Whether you're heading to a garden party or brunch on the patio, this outfit brings joyful energy. Pink striped shirt with matching shorts. This look is sweet, relaxed, and very on trend for 2025. Think soft pinks, vertical stripes, and a slightly oversized cut. A button-up shirt with matching shorts, especially in lightweight cotton or linen blends, is the kind of outfit you'll want to live in during heat waves. The key is balance. Leave the shirt untucked with a few buttons undone and roll the sleeves for a casual yet styled finish. Slide into white sneakers or simple flat mules and carry a straw tote. Add a touch of gloss and a messy bun and you're ready for a day at the park, a coffee run, or a weekend trip. This look is playful but clean, giving just the right amount of prep. Pinstripe vest and trouser set. Want to look like the coolest woman at the rooftop dinner party? Go for a pinstripe vest and trouser set. This tailored ensemble gives you all the elegance of a power suit, minus the stuffy blazer. A sleeveless vest keeps things fresh, while the pinstripes add visual interest and sophistication. You can wear it with sleek sandals or low-block heels. For accessories, go minimal: hoop earrings, a slicked back bun, and a bold watch or cuff. Under the vest, you can layer a tank or keep it bare for a slightly daring look, perfect for evenings out. This is a timeless, elevated outfit that will make you feel chic from sunset cocktails to moonlit strolls. And that's your roundup of 7 basic summer outfits that blend style, comfort, and effortless confidence. These are the kinds of outfits that don't demand attention, they attract it. Whether you prefer romantic puff sleeves or minimal tailoring, there's a look here that fits your vibe. Fashion in 2025 is all about combining ease with elegance. You don't have to sacrifice comfort to look good, and you don't need a massive wardrobe either. Just a few core pieces, styled with intention, can completely transform how you show up each day. Before you go, be sure to subscribe to Casual Comfort, where simple meets stylish and comfort never compromises elegance. Like this video if you found an outfit you love, and share your thoughts in the comments. We'd love to know, which of these 7 outfits would you wear tomorrow? Thank you for watching, and remember, dressing well is just another way of caring for yourself. Stay cool, stay confident, and we'll see you in the next video.